Let me show you how to take a photo and transform it into a cool digital sticker just like this directly in Canva. So I use the same image. First I need to go to the element, searching for dog, go into the graphics by using the element what I want, like this one. Click on my original image, removing the background, right click on the new image, what we would like to use, go into the copy style, copy art style, and click on my image. So the Canva did the magic. I just deleting this image and increasing the size of this one a bit. And now only one step is missing. Click on the edit. Scrolling down to the shadow, see all, outline, changing the black to white. And we can increase the size, but it's too much. I think this 30, 25-ish is good. And now we have the same digital sticker as I showed you before. So this is the final outcome. I really like it. I hope so you also. So if you like the tutorial, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section first of all to feed the algorithm, our greatest friend. And also if you have any question or struggling anything on Canva, just let me know in the comment section. I will answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description of this video where you can find the links for my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages, where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts list in a Facebook page, and of course in a TikTok and Instagram pages you can find a short form of Canva tutorials. As I mentioned already, you can find the links in the description. But now this tutorial really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.